So I'm in the shade garden area, and there are all kinds of coral bells in every color and shape. So let's go through those. So this one is called Georgia Peach, and you can see the colors are definitely in that peach range, different colors of pink and peach. This one is a Forever Red. It looks a little bit orange or rust colored. We get down to this one here, and now we're seeing definitely more burgundy or purple colored. I kind of like this one. I'm probably going to pick one of these up for myself. This one is called Fire Chief. You can see the different colors on it. Now the coral bells, of course, do get different colors of flowers on them too, but mostly they're grown for the foliage. So we come down to this one here. This one is called Delta Dawn. It's a little bit more yellowy or chartreuse. It does have some red veining, which is interesting. Here's another one that's called Fire Alarm. A little bit more of that orange. You can really get that autumny feel when you start seeing some of these. And some of these leaves are massive. Just to show you against my hand. Look at the size of that. It's bigger than my hand. It's really lovely. This one is called Champagne. Again, it's a little bit more of that yellow tone. This one is called Cajun Fire Coral Bell. A little bit different colors again. This one's interesting. It's called Black Taffeta. And it's actually a burgundy color. Oh, they don't have that one here. I'm sorry. This is Black Forest, actually. So this is Black Forest Cake Coral Bells. And you can see it's got that dark burgundy almost to being black in color. Here's another one called Berry Smoothie. Again, huge leaves, lots of different color contrast. This one's called Glitter Coral Bells. It's got a little bit more of a light color green on the top of the leaf. And just lovely. The color is amazing. Moving down here. This is a Grand Amethyst Coral Bell. And it's definitely more in the pink or purple hue here, plum looking. And right next to it is a Grand Black Coral Bell, and again this is just very dark colored. Again, Grand Black. Here we have one called Lime Marmalade. And it looks like lettuce. It reminds me of cut leaf lettuce. It's amazing. This little one is called Caris. A bit different leaves on it. This one's called Green Spice. It's got a little bit of a pink veining, which is kind of nice. This one is Lime Ruffles. Again, to me it looks like cut leaf lettuce. And then coming back over here, it says that's marmalade, but we saw that down there. And this is the Midnight Rose. Just a little bit different color. This one is called Peach Crisp, and it's a little bit smaller leaves and they're a little bit more ruffly. Reminds me of autumn leaves, like oak leaves that you would see. This one is called Paprika. If you really like coral bells, this or heuchera, this is the place for you. There's so many, I don't even know, I lost count. This one is called Obsidian. Again, it's a dark burgundy, almost black color. Good size leaves on it. This one's a good down to zone 3, so this is called Northern Exposure. Pretty amazing. This is another one called Northern Exposure, but instead of a sienna, this is a silver. So it kind of has a red burgundy leaf with a frosted kind of look to it. The flower spikes are pretty tall. I mean, we're probably over 2 feet tall, including the flower spikes on these. This one's called Northern Exposure, Red Coral Bells. There's a little bit shorter variety, or at least they're shorter here. A little bit more of that orangey color. And here's one, it's called, again, Northern Exposure, but called Purple Coral Bells. It's a little bit nicer in the purple color. You can see the color right next to them. That's the red coral. Purple coral or red coral. And staying with the Northern Exposure series, this is a lime or a chartreusey color, but it's called lime. And again, Northern Exposure series. These are the black, which is again really a dark burgundy color. On the very end, again Northern Exposure, you got the amber coral bells, which give you kind of the odd autumnal autumn colors, orange. And let's do a pan back so you can see all the different colors here. So here's another variety called Plum Pudding. Again, more of a burgundy color, almost black. This one is called Peach Flame. You can see the colors. Again, more of that orangey red color, which is kind of nice. You got Red Lightning. This one shows a red veining, although I'm not seeing it a lot in the younger leaves. This is a Rio. So you got a few different colors, which is kind of nice, ranging in the more of the burnt orange colors. This one is called Southern Comfort. Definitely the orange and the yellow colors definitely looks like autumn. This one's called Sugar Plum. I think I have this one at home somewhere tucked away. Probably needs to be rejuvenated. I don't think I have it in the right soil, and I have it in too much sun. They tend to stunt the growth if you don't have them in enough shade. Palace Purple. See the colors here, kind of nice.
You know anything about hydrangeas?
Yeah.
I have a question. We got the endless summer ones. Planted them about a month ago. All starting to look like that. They're just fading off and turning white. You know, I don't. It gets half summer.
So here we have Ruby Bells, which is just a plain old Corbel, nothing fancy. With all the colors you can get, I can't see buying something that doesn't have a nice color leaf. Anybody can have green. Well, this one's fun. Buttered rum foamy bells. Again, orange and yellow shades for autumn. So here's the sweet tea foamy bells. This is almost a burnt orange color. Here's one called Solar Power, kind of a limey color. Another one that's called Solar Eclipse. So these leaves are just a little bit smaller. If we compare it, you can see how much more red is in the veining compared to the one next to it. So this one's Foamy Bells. I'm sorry, this one is Solar Power, this is Solar Eclipse. That's the difference. And this one is called Plum. This one is called Plum Cascade. It's a little bit got a like a white or frosted look to it. This one's Peach Tea. Really nice color combination. This is called Onyx. Again, getting back to the dark burgundy, almost black coloring. And the last one in this lineup is Gold Zebra. Again with the red veining on the leaves. Ooh, that was a lot. This concludes my shopping tour at Gerton's for coral bells. And I think there is 46 varieties. You can count and let me know if there is more than that. I will put the Gerton's information in the description below. And I do believe you can purchase any one of these online through Gerton's. I'll put the website link there. And if there's something specific that you can't get in your area, maybe you can get it online here. If you're local to the Twin Cities metro area, I suggest you go check out Gerton's in person. It is an adventure. It is, I don't know, 30 acres. It's huge nursery. But this was my adventure looking for coral bells for my shade garden. Hopefully this is helpful. If so, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Also consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our other great videos. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.